Agricultural development continues to remain the most important objective of Indian planning and policy. In the process of development of agriculture, pesticides have become an important tool as a plant protection agent for boosting food production. Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited is the brainchild of highly experienced promoters to provide innovative products to farmers to maximize their farm output. It was founded in 2015, and the company's success story finds its roots with the beginning of production in 2016 at its first manufacturing unit in Ahmedabad. It is promoted by Mr. Ramesh Bhai Talavia, Mr. Jaman Kumar Talavia, Mr. Jagdish Bhai Savalia and Mr. Vishal Domadia. The turnover of the company has grown by more than 16 times, from Rs 243 million in financial year 17 to Rs 3,942 million in FY22. DCGL has a well-diversified product portfolio of insecticides, microfertilizers, fungicides, antibiotics, herbicides, and plant growth regulators. They market these products under their brands as well as through bulk sales to institutional customers. Since its incorporation, they have built several strong brands by leveraging the strength of its marketing and distribution network. Its key portfolio brands include Padgham, Zika Sauf, Ritardo, Gagandeep, Dharozar, Rujuta, and many other recognized brands. Branded products contributed 31% in FY22 revenue, while institutional sales contributed to the balance 69%. Within institutional, domestic contributed 59%, while exports contributed 10%. It has a state-of-the-art formulation facility with a total installed capacity of 25,500 metric ton in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. It also houses its in-house quality check and R&D center. They are also setting up a technical and its intermediates manufacturing facility at Saika Industrial Estate, Bharuch, Gujarat, which will be used for captive consumption as well as for sales in domestic and international market. The company's marketing reach in domestic segment encompasses more than 4,200 dealers and distributors in 17 states with 16 stock depots. It has 414 product registrations and exports to 25 plus countries across Latin America, East African countries, Middle East and Far East Asia. Few of the top institutional clientele include Bharat Rasayan, Heranba Industries, Meghmani Industries, Atul, and many more. It has demonstrated a strong track record of operational and financial performance. Revenue of the company has grown from Rs 243 million in FY17 to Rs 3,942 million in FY22. EBITDA grew from Rs 36 million to Rs 462 million and PAT grew from Rs 6 million to Rs 287 million for the same period. Return ratios of the company stood at 30% plus for last 3 years. The company has continued the growth momentum going in FY23 as well at Rs 2,209 million with EBITDA of Rs 269 million and PAT of Rs 184 million. The expansion is going on a 33,000 square meters land parcel they acquired in Bharuch, Gujarat, for which the environmental clearance approvals have already been received. It has already obtained registration of 6 agrochemical technical and have applied for registration of 18 agrochemical technical for the new facility. Setting up the technical manufacturing facility will augment its manufacturing capabilities to produce domestic-grade agrochemicals, which, along with their export registrations, will be synergistic to their formulations business, leading to margin expansion. The company plans to expand the product lines in public health and animal health segment. It aims to expand its customer base in domestic and international markets through new customer acquisition and expanding existing customer business through the development of new products backed by research and development, and strengthen the business through brand building activities with dealer training programs, farmer training programs, field shows and other such activities. During the growth period, the company has award for the Best Emerging Company, runners-up by Pesticide Manufacturer and Formulator of India in 2022, Best Brand Award in all over Gujarat state by ABP Asmita in 2019, and the company also gets a certificate for Great Place of Work for the Employee in February 2022-23. The company has proposed an IPO of Rs 2.5 billion with a post-issue market capitalization of Rs 8 billion. The funds will be utilized largely for the capital expansion of backward integration, working capital and repayment of existing loans.